Welcome to RealDigiAds. My name is Paul Schlanger and I'm the CEO and co-founder, and I'm also a realtor. I've been using Google Ads to generate leads for my real estate business since my third year as a licensee. In that year, I did $7.4 million in sales with a Google Ads budget of $21,000. Today, I'll build a campaign by city focusing on condos for sale on the ocean in Boca Raton. I'm going to start by clicking on New Campaign, locate campaigns by city. We're going to change the name. This is for identification purposes. The destination URL is the landing page that I created for Boca Raton condos on the ocean prior to starting this campaign. The city. Make sure that you select it. If you speak another language, I would recommend running campaigns in other languages to give you a competitive advantage. Daily budget, minimum we recommend is $15. Less than that, you may not get enough impressions, clicks, or conversions. This is our recommended ad schedule. You can modify it and you can add to it. I'm going to leave it and click Next. It created the ad group for me. I'm just going to change the name. The city is correct. Here are my keywords to start. Condominiums for sale Boca Raton, condos for sale Boca Raton, real estate listings Boca Raton. But why do I have homes for sale and houses for sale? That's because I'm going to show you how to integrate selling single-family homes from within the same campaign that focuses on selling condos. We do this by utilizing site link extensions to maximize conversions and increase our potential return on ad spend. It sounds complicated, but it is not. We make it very easy at RealDigiAds. We have another video showing you how to implement site link extensions to accomplish this. You could add more keywords here. I'm just going to add the word realtor next to my name. I'm going to add another keyword phrase, Boca Raton condos for sale. Now, you could add a lot more keywords if you'd like. Just go to our campaign glossary, click on the type of campaign, which is target ads by city, and as you can see, we have pages and pages of keywords. We've done all the research for you. Just please understand, the more keywords you add to your campaign, the more impressions and clicks and potential conversions, which means you'll need to adjust your budget accordingly. So for right now, I'm going to leave this as is and click Next. It created my first text ad for me. I'm going to change the name. The destination URL is correct. However, the display URL on the ad, I don't like that. People aren't going to remember that. So I'm just going to remove this part of it. So it's just my home page. As you can see, it changed it in the ad. I'm going to leave the headlines and the descriptions as is. Click Next. Do not stop here. Google recommends a minimum of 2 text ads and at least 1 responsive ad. Click Advanced. And what's being displayed now is that first text ad. And we're just going to make some simple modifications. This is correct. I'm going to change this. Condos for sale Boca Raton. Change this. Search the newest listings. MLS, updated in minutes. I'll leave these descriptions. You could change these. You can get all this information from our campaign glossary. Make sure you have the right type of campaign and headlines and descriptions. I'm going to leave it. Click Next. This is a responsive ad. A responsive ad is different from a text ad in the fact that it changes in size to allow it to be displayed on a couple of million website Google partners, which is very important. This actually is the same as my first text ad, but it's in a responsive ad format. You could add additional headlines if you like. and additional descriptions. I'm going to leave this as is and click Next. And I finished building my first campaign by city, focusing on condos for sale on the ocean in Boca Raton. This information has been sent over to Google Ads for review to verify that you're in compliance with their policies, your destination URL is working correctly, and other aspects of your campaign. Thank you for watching.